Hi everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Microbial Life WIM. My name is Avijit Haldar. First of all, wish you all a happy and prosperous Merry Christmas. In this video series, as you all know, we will only discussed about different types of bacteria, virus, protozoa, and other different microorganisms which are responsible for different deadly diseases. And also we will discuss about some microorganism which is beneficial for human beings, animals and plants. In this video series we will only give you the basic idea, or we will give you some brief idea for all these microorganisms. Okay, so today's topic is Enterobius vermiculars. Okay, so let's start with introduction. The nematode or Enterobius vermiculars is widely known as the human pinworm due to its female long pointed tail. As you all know, this is a female long pointed tail. Okay. Enterobiasis or pinworm infections is a common, contagious, parasitic and infestation which are mainly found in children. The disorder is separated by swallowing or inhaling the teeny eggs of the pinworm. If a children or any human beings is swelling or inhaling the teeny eggs of the pinworm, they will affected by this microorganism. Enterobiasis is rarely caused any serious physical problem except the main symptom, which is severe rectal itching. Okay, now discuss about its life cycle. Gravid adult female Enterobius vermicularis deposit eggs on perianal folds image. Infection occurs via self inoculation, transferring eggs to the mouth with hands that have scratched the perianal area. Okay, if you scratch your perianal area, then maybe it's a possibility to get the infection, or through exposure to eggs to the environment. For example, contaminated surface, clothes, bed or linens, etc. Following ingestion of the infected eggs, the larvae hatch in the small intestine image and adult establish themselves in the colon, usually the cecum image. The larva, this is the small intestine, as you all seen. Inside the small intestine, the larva hatch. It have the larva hatch and the eggs on the perianal folds. Sorry. The time interval for ingestion of infected eggs to oviposition by the adult female is 1 month. It takes 1 month. Okay. After full maturity, adult female measure 8 to 13 centimeter. It's measured 8 to 13 centimeter. Okay. 8 to 13 centimeter. And adult males. The adult males size is 2 to 5 mm. Sorry, it's not centimeter, it's mm. It's my mistake. It's mm. Okay. The adult lifespan is about 2 months. Gravid females migrated nocturnally outside the anus and ovipose while crawling on the skin of the perianal area image. The larva contained inside the eggs developed. The egg become infective in 4 to 6 hours under optimal conditions. Now let's talk about clinical symptoms. Enterobiasis is frequently asymptomatic. it doesn't give you any symptoms. The most typical symptoms is perianal itching, especially at night, which may lead to excoriation and bacterial superinfections. Occasionally, invasion of the female genital tract with vulvovaginitis and pelvic or peritoneal can occur. Other symptoms include teeth grinding, insomnia, abdominal pain, irritability, which can mimic appendicitis. Diagnosis. A diagnosis of a ringworm infection is made by finding the female worm of the eggs. Another method of diagnostic involved the use of a piece of sticky tape to pick up any eggs or worms that may around the anal area in the morning before washing or a bowel movement. Let me show the picture, then you will understand. This is the picture. If with the use of a sticky tape, if you pick an egg worms, pick an egg worms with the help of sticky tapes from the anal area in morning before you should go for the bowel, then you can diagnostic it. Since pinworm eggs and worms are often sparse in stool, examination stool sample is not recommended. Serological tests are not available for diagnostic pinworm infection. But the third option, we have another option, and that's the last option, third option, for diagnostic in analyzing the sample from finger nails under microscope. An infected person who has scratches the anal area may have picked up some pinworm eggs under the nails that could be used for diagnostic. So this is all about the Enterovias vermiculars. In the description box, I will provide the notes. If you want, you can check it from there. And if you guys want to join in our Telegram or WhatsApp group for any kind of notes, information related to life science, medical science or paramedical science, they can join it. We will provide the link in the description box, or you can join in our personal profile also. So thank you so much for your time and patience. We will back you soon with another important topic. Thank you.